Hey, welcome to another episode of Fab Race Mod Repeat. So I pulled the car out to do a little maintenance and checking up on it, make sure the lugs are still tight and all that good stuff, check transmission fluid, oil, all your normal between race maintenance things, because we should have one race left this season, weather permitting. And I noticed this was laying in the floor of the car. Well, it took me a second, and what it is the safety gauge off the side of my fire extinguisher. And I guess my helmet bounced off the hook and fell down and knocked it off. Well, fortunately, it didn't blow out anything. It just let the pressure off the tank. So I got to put in a new fire extinguisher. So that's what we're going to do right this minute. We're going to go ahead and put me in a new fire extinguisher. So here we go. And this is where I typically mount my extinguisher. I've had them on the bars before, but I'm tight in this car and there's not enough room for it. I've had a few people tell me I ought to put it back here on the crossbar on the back, but I can't reach it readily from there. I can reach it here. If I'm in trouble, I can get a hold of it. Now what I got to do is see if I got some holes that'll line up on the bracket of the new extinguisher, and if they will, then we're golden. And we'll go from there. Okay, so the new one's an Amerex extinguisher, and it mounts on metal plate instead of plastic like the Kitty did, and I kind of like that. So I just got to go ahead and get this bolted down. And this is one of them things that pops up when you got a race car. You just don't expect it to happen. I do look at the fire extinguisher from time to time. That's how come I know it had to have leaked out from the gauge getting knocked off of it. And I'm only speculating that my helmet did it, but my helmet had fallen off the hook up here. So let's go ahead and get this back in. Get it started. Get this side started. Tighten everything down. Alright. I like the fact that this one's got some notches in here that lock down in this slot. Like so. And then you just go ahead and dog it over, and there you go. If you need to pop it loose, you just swing it and it's loose. And that's all there is to it. We got a nice new safe fire extinguisher installed. It's in the green. We're ready to go. So until next time, as always, practice your skills, learn a new one. Turn the ones you've learned or already have into craftsmanship. Do what you can with them. You never know how far it'll take you. So until next time, this is Fab Race Mod Repeat. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.